Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change a theme without activation in Windows 10 or Windows 11. I'll show you guys how to do it. Just close stuff here. Open up a file explorer. Go to this PC. Local disk C. Find a Windows folder. Click on it. Find a resources folder. Double click on it. And double click on the themes folder. Now you need to select this icon to view these themes. And now you need to double click on the theme you want. I'm gonna double click on this dark theme, and now as you can see I can't change these themes in my settings, but I can change over here. Now the theme has been changed, and that's how you change the theme without activating Windows 10 or Windows 11. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.